He is a business coach and filmmaker with a passion for helping people make the best decisions to improve themselves. He enjoys reading, continuous learning, and networking with others. He's driven by growth and impact. He is deeply inspired by anything that transforms his life and the lives of those around him. Please, with a resounding applause, let's welcome our first speaker with the speech title Learning to Say Yes. Toastmaster Seth, Learning to Say Yes.
Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and visionary guests. At the end of a business conference I attended in 2018, the speaker ended with the words of Sir Richard Nicholas Branson, and it goes like this: if someone offers you an amazing opportunity that you are unsure of and you don't want to do, say yes and learn how to do it later. We all stood up and shouted a resounding yes! But guess what? I never did the business. I only stood up and said yes because everyone else was saying it. If I had embraced the opportunity that day, I would have reached my financial goals quickly. Instead, it cost me an extra 365 days for me to be able to delve into the online business world and started my financial wealth creation plan. Research shows that 10 out of 100 people say yes when being presented with a new opportunity. Humans naturally find it very difficult to say yes, especially when they are being presented with new opportunities. Neuroscientific research suggests that overthinking triggers fears in people, making us hesitate on making life-changing choices. As a business coach, one of the things I do very well is help people make decisions on a daily basis. And I can tell you, 7 out of 10 people don't know how to make decisions on their own. Most of the time, when I'm with them, what I hear is, my brother say I shouldn't do this, so my friend says this is a scam, don't do it. Let me tell you the most funniest of them all. My husband or wife say I shouldn't do it, or I will have to ask my husband about it first. Now, I'm not against you asking for advice, but you should be able to distinguish when you're asking for advice and when you're simply being indecisive. Research showed that people who are successful are very decisive. They think fast and act quickly on life-changing opportunities. Now let's look at the life of Napoleon Hill, the author of the book Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich has created more millionaires than any book in history. It is the compilation of lessons from 500 of the world's most richest men in that period. When Napoleon Hill met Andrew Carnegie, the richest man in the world in that time, Carnegie asked him this question: Hill, will you be willing to spend 20 of your years in writing such a book? Napoleon Hill, without hesitation, replied with a resounding yes. But what he didn't know was that Carnegie was timing him with his pocket watch for 60 seconds. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Carnegie now told Hill, I wouldn't have let you write this book if you hadn't said yes. Because I know people who are successful, they always say yes in less than 60 seconds. Fellow Toastmasters and our dear guests, people who are successful say yes fast and then think about how to execute it later on as time goes on. How many times have you missed out on life-changing opportunities simply because of hesitation? Research shows that people who are successful say yes twice as fast as unsuccessful people. Little wonder, all life notable discoveries was made by people who were ready to step into the unknown. So now what does that teach us? That you must be open to always say yes to any opportunity, because you never know what opportunity might be life-changing. Before I leave the podium, I would like to leave us once more with a quote of Sir Richard Nicholas Branson. If someone offers you an amazing opportunity that you are unsure of and don't think you can do it, say yes and learn how to do it later. Thank you.
Such a visionary speaker.